Hello guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Kartika Plaza Street and Wana Segara Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street and Wana Segara Street, just keep stay in touch.
Check it out.
Hello guys, hi today. Yeah, we are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Kartika Plaza Street and Wana Segara Street. Yeah, you see outside? Stadium, so many tourists down there. Our journey today start from the north part on Kartika Plaza Street until to the south part, just before Wana Segara Street. Okay, let's see together how busy Kartika Plaza Street today. But we see together on the video was so many tourists in the restaurant and also on the footpath. Just looks so busy in this area today, isn't it? Also, right side in the restaurant, you have few tourists down there. Step by step, even on Kartika Plaza Street, it's getting more busier and busier. Right side, Melasti Kuta Bungalow. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Kartika Plaza Street and Wana Segara Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Because this channel is about update situation in Bali and also tourism update. You see right side? Pizza restaurant and also some tourists walk around on the footpath. Just quite busy down there, isn't it? They're just really good. Also left side, ATM Central. So many tourists down there. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Kartika Plaza Street and enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Yeah, so far on video, just looks so busy, isn't it? Just so many tourists on the footpath, and also they are go to the restaurant. So this is the situation at the moment on Kartika Plaza Street. So what do you think? Yeah, it is more busier, isn't it? Step by step, also in Kartika Plaza Street, more tourists stay in this area, and also the traffic today is quite busy. At the front, the junction, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Nusa Dua, Sanur and Denpasar. But now I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Wana Segara Street. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like from this area, the end of Kartika Plaza Street, so you can go to the airport just walking distance, just about 10 minutes by walk. Okay, now we reach Wana Segara Street and let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from Wana Segara Street. Actually, a few weeks ago I already updated this area, but looks so quiet. But now, step by step, there is more tourists stay in this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Wana Segara Street. So what do you think? Not so bad, isn't it? Step by step in this area also getting busier. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.